everyone, so today I'm gonna open this Tarte package. It arrived today and I already know what's inside. I won a pretty basic makeup palette. So yeah, let's unbox this package. My PJ, do you see my PJ?
Yes. Okay. It's not focused. I don't know how to focus this.
Just tap it, tap, tap, tap.
I do. Okay.
Wow. Oh, it looks like a PR package. Join Team Tarte. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love the wrapping. Free virtual service trial. Oh, okay, cool, cool. Look! Yay!
Ooh.
So happy. Dang. Oh, this is cute. I wonder what's the name. Okay, this beautiful lipstick. No, not even lipstick. It's lip gloss. I don't know the name.
Lip gloss?
No, like, you know how it's like pretty and pink or something like that?
It's a lip oil.
Maybe it's just called basic.
Yeah, I don't think it has a name. Okay, great mascara.
Well, I'm trying to see if it focuses. Ooh, pretty basic.
Wow.
Tra-la-la-la. Oh, there's a cute mirror. Ooh.
Wait, remove the film because it's like kind of shiny. I can't tell if it's focused or not. I don't think it is.
Can you read the names?
No.
Okay, switch. It smells so good. Oh, I smell it.
Probably not good for you.
We're just inhaling the chemicals. Oh, okay, I could read it now.
Okay, that was weird.
Daisy, Perf, Content, Baby Content, Pretty, and I think that one's basic. Yep, basic. And this is Chloe, Ring Ring, Boy Drama. Wow.
And lip oil.
It's lip oil?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. But it doesn't have a name.
No, but it says over here that's lip oil.
Oh, okay.
Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil.
So yes. Oh. I keep dropping it. So yes, that is all the stuff I got. I'm so happy. It's like very monochrome colors, maybe you would say.
Yeah.
Basic colors, which I like, and it's funny because it has basic.
Basic. Well, I think that's why they made like these
Basic colors. I like, and they said that it's everyday colors, like every day. You like not for club, but like every day. I like the packaging too. It was really cute. I felt like this was a PR package. It kind of was, right? No.
No, I think they give their packages like this because I've ordered stuff and then they wrap it like that.
That's really cute. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like unboxing videos, hit like so I can know. Hit subscribe if you like can you? If you like my content, please hit subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I upload. All right, everyone. Bye.